I just found a way that you can scrape infinite qualified and verified leads. Like I'm talking like 10,000 plus leads in under 5 minutes. And you want to know the best part? It's completely free. No, there's not even, you don't even have to put your credit card in. There's no free trial. It's free for life forever. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this thing, how you can set it up, how you can use it, and at the very end, I'm going to give you a little bonus as well. So I'm going to show you how you can have your lead list go from looking like this to this in under 5 minutes for free. Let's get down to business. First things first, you're going to head over to the site called Data Miner. Okay, this site right here, I've downloaded. It's free, it's safe, it's awesome. Head over to the site. You're going to click this button where it says Add to Chrome. It's free. Click that button. Okay. Next things next. You're going to get directed to this page at the top right. It's going to say Add to Chrome. Click that button. Then it's going to direct you over to this page here, where it's just going to show you the same thing again, right? It's just going to be this home button. So you can click it. You have to sign in with Google, right? Just sign up, make an account. And then after you've made an account, you're going to want to head over to Google and search the thing you're searching for. So let's head over to Google here and let's search what we're looking for. So in this case, let's say we want to find plumbers in Texas. Let's say that's all we want, okay? Plumbers in Texas. Now, bear with me and watch exactly what I do, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make sure this runs super smoothly. So, right here, it's going to show you a couple of businesses here on Google. What you're going to want to do is don't click maps, don't click anything. Click this thing right here, where it says more businesses. Okay, click this. It's going to bring you to a page that looks just like this. And for context, if you want to find, real estate agents or contractors or home renovation or bathroom remodelers or auto detailers, just put in whatever it is and then in the city you want. Okay, that's all you got to do. Now, you're going to get brought to a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to do after this is you want to click the Data Miner Chrome extension up here on the top right-hand side of your screen. So click this button here. Data Miner is going to open up, okay? It's going to scrape any page on any website. You can even do this on any single website on the entire world. I'm just showing you Google Maps because it's the easiest way to do it. Now, what you're going to do is after this opens up, you're going to click scrape this page. Follow along here. Scrape this page. Click this button, okay? Data Miner is then going to open up. So, here's what we're going to do. Data Miner is going to open up. What you're going to do is go where it says page scrape. You're going to click this button, page scrape. So, click that, okay? Now, first things first, make sure you click only recipes with next page automation. So you're going to click this button. Now for context, if you want, you can create your own recipes. If you're tech savvy like that, if you're like me and you're an idiot, we're just going to click this and then search the recipes that they already have. Now, once you've clicked only recipes with next page automation, this will allow you to filter through a ton of different pages, not just one. You're going to want to scroll down and find the one you want, right? For example, if you just click on one, it'll show you what it'll give you, right? So this one gives you the name, the rating, the number of reviews, the company phone number, the company location. Okay, so not bad. Maybe you want some more stuff like website and email. Oh, website. What else do they have? Okay, so they have the basics. For context, if you can find ones that have without the country code for phone number, that works better. But that doesn't matter. You can scroll through, find what else there is. Right. This one's pretty basic. Let's see. Is there anything better? Right, you can scroll through. You can find the one that you like the best. Typically, this first one, the Google Business List 2023, works just fine. So once you find the recipe that you want to use, you're going to want to click on New Scrape. Okay, right here, New Scrape. You're going to press the scrape button. So press scrape. Okay, now, here's what's going to happen. Actually, psych, I lied. You're going to click this, next page automation. Okay? Then what you're going to do is where it says number of pages to scrape, change this to 20, because there's typically 20 pages on Google. And then delay between pages, you can do about 8 seconds to make sure it actually scrapes all of the data. So, you're going to press the button where it says scrape. So, scrape 20 pages. We're going to click this button. Okay? Now, literally, within the next couple minutes, we will have thousands, and I'm talking thousands of leads scraped. You want to know the best part? To keep scraping, all you have to do is go to the Google Maps here, go here, and just change your area. I'm not going to do it because it's sorting right now, but what you could literally do is you just change your area. So just scroll somewhere else on the map, zoom in to make sure it shows the locations, and then go back to Data Miner and press scrape again. It'll automatically start scraping. Now, here's what's going to happen. Okay, so that's how you actually scrape them. But now, there's a very important step here. So bear with me, because if you don't do this, you're going to lose all of your data. So after you've done this, after it's completed the entire scrape, which you'd have to wait for, okay, which takes about a minute or two, or once you press stop, so in this case, I'll just press stop, okay, you have a couple of options. Okay, so in this case, Data Miner has stopped. So here's what you can do. The first thing you can do is you can press download. And as a matter of fact, that's what I recommend you do. You can also go scrape more leads if you want, but what I recommend you do is you press download. Okay, this is how you're going to save the actual files. Now, bear with me, this is very important. There's a few ways you can use to actually save this file. Number one, you can save it as a CSV. This is known as comma separated values, which is what you can use to import it into a variety of different softwares like Excel, Google Sheets, etc. However, there's a quicker way, and as you notice, there's no typical Google Sheets. So what we're going to do is we're going to click copy to clipboard. Okay, so click this button, copy to clipboard. Then go and head over to your actual Google Sheet. So head over to your Google Sheet. It looks like this. You're gonna wanna open up a new sheet. Then you wanna go down one and then press paste. Okay, and then boom. You'll notice though, there's an error here, and I'll show you how to fix that. Okay, I'll show you how to fix that, but we can drag these out so we can see it a little bit better. Okay. And then here's what we're gonna do to fix the error. And now you can actually use an automation for this, but to fix the error, as you'll notice, it says equals +1. Now it's done that because it's defaulted to say +1, aka the area code, the country code, right? Which signals to Google Sheets that this is a formula, which we don't want it to be. So what we can do is we can just go here and remove the equals and the 1 button, and then you can see they're gone. Another way you can do this with an automation and automate all of these to do this if you don't want to go through and manually do this. That's another way of doing this, okay? So both of those work just fine. You can do whatever you want to do, okay? Now, bear with me because we're not done yet. So that's how you actually set Data Miner up, how you scrape leads, and how you get them into the software. Now, there's a crucial step you're missing here, which I'll show you, okay? So just for context, now you have the leads in your data scraper. What you can do is you now want to filter. So at the top, you're going to write the name, okay? Rating, number of reviews, etc., 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 company phone number, okay? Now, you want to press the filter button, create a filter. What it's done now is it'll filter everything. However, if you've done it like I have, it won't filter it properly. And that's because we haven't actually written the thing we want to filter up here. So what we would have to do is go back here and press filter on this button. Okay, so right here, you have to go here and press phone. And then press the filter button now. And if you see, now we can filter all our phone numbers and all our people, and you can filter different locations. You can filter if people have a phone number versus if they don't have a phone number. As you can see, some people don't even have a phone number here, so you can filter them out, and you can actually filter all your leads in the best way you want. And that is how you can scrape unlimited 10,000 plus leads in under 5 minutes. But now that you know to scrape leads using Google Maps, you're going to want to scrape leads using Instagram. So do me a favor. If you like this video, there's an even better method you can use to scrape every single Instagram profile in the world entirely for free as well. And I've linked the video right here or down below in the description. Click that. And if you're still here, as promised, a little gift, scroll down to the comment section. I have dropped a link to every single software I use to scrape leads. I'm giving it away for free to you. If you like this video, let me know down below and go watch my Instagram lead scraping video as well, because I promise you, you won't want to miss out on that.